What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Look at that. Alex is back on the channel. Alex, take a bow, dude. The guy we never get to see anymore. He doesn't hang out with us. No, I'm just kidding. Guys, we got parts everywhere. Like, look at this. You know that's a good day when you get a box that says Ford Racing. We got parts for 4 to 8. We got all kinds of stuff. I don't even know where to start. Actually, I think we're gonna start right here and get this CJ intake out. Maybe not.
Miles?
No, don't say that. Yes, sir, ladies and gentlemen. Guys, if you did not catch the video, we gutted Boomer's car last week. Engine bay is already done today. We've got his CJ intake. Probably monoblade throttle body too, isn't there? Oh, okay. That's up there. And then we got his engine. We got fuel system. Did we get turbo kit yet?
Yeah, he's got it.
Okay, yeah. He sent me a picture of the turbo kit. It's just not here yet. Yeah. So, and it's actually a Motion Raceworks, but today we're gonna go ahead and get this stock intake off, get the CJ on there, and yeah, we gotta get the throttle body out too. Guys, Dover has made these custom Hydroboost lines for Jennings' car, which I'll show you here in a little bit. Those are freaking sweet. And then we've got the final parts to Project 4 to 8's engine, which I'll show you too. But for the moment, we're gonna do some Coyote stuff. Oh yeah, that's the dual 65, isn't it? Oh my god. Oh, that's
like one box body.
Yeah, because they're dual 65s, and we're putting 170 on Project 4A just for. God. Yeah, that's a work of art, yo. These things are so pretty. Jeez Louise.
We got fuel rails too.
Let's put that. Oh, do we have?
We got the 4 fuel rails.
Yes, guys, we have not shown you the whole 4 fuel system. We've got that as well. Oh, look. Dude, we got oil pump gears, too?
Oil pump gears, sprocket.
We got oil pump gears and sprocket. More, whole box from Power by the Hour. We got tensioners, brackets. All right, let's see what the CJ looks like. Let's see, we're going to have to move. Yeah. We got injector harnesses there. Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
Yeah, that's nice.
That is beautiful. That is, guys, if you're not familiar with Coyotes a whole lot, that is the Mamma Jamma intake right there. And, which I would probably have on my car, but I'm trying to keep it stealth with the stock hood, so we got the 18 intake. Which is, you know, I think second or third down the line. The GT3, the CJ, GT350, and then the 18, I think, is the pecking order for Coyote intakes. Now I put that big, beautiful throttle body on. Alright, guys, we hadn't got to show you this, but this is the beautiful 4 fuel system.
Hat.
Badass hat. What size did you say those pumps were?
I don't remember.
Yeah, there's the hat.
I don't know the
There's the lines. So we've done the On 3 and we've done the Aeromotive. This is the first time with the 4. It's a nice looking kit. Very nice looking kit. Braided line. Oh, that looks good. Yeah, those are gonna look nice. And he's got, what, 1050X? Yeah, they're already in there.
They're already in there. It didn't have a box. I don't know what he ordered.
Yeah, the guys from Power by the Hour went ahead and put the injectors in. Not sure what they are, though. Yeah, it doesn't say. I'm sure they're at least 1050s, if not more, since it's going to be turbo. Had to stop over here and show off these beautiful Hydroboost lines. And these fittings came from Power by the Hour. This is just like the PTFE hose. And just screwed right into the Hydroboost. As you can see, went through this hole along the frame rail, and then right there the pump, totally hidden. You'll never see these lines, and I'm so jelly now. I need these on mine. But yeah, look right here. Like if you look at my car, all the lines are right there. It's like kind of a jumbled mess, and now in here there's nothing. That looks phenomenal. When are we doing mine?
Yeah,
Yeah, okay, yeah.
We do the Gen 3 3.
When we do the Gen 3, might as well just do the XS, right? But yeah, guys, this one, brake lines are in progress and Hydroboost lines, that's it. If you caught the video we did a couple weeks ago, we've already started the car. So this beast is gonna be making a lot of noise here real shortly. All right, boys, as promised, we got another big box from LMR for Project 4 to 8. And actually this was parts store. Dover stopped and got this. Got a brand new water pump, oil pump right there. And Ford Racing Performance Parts. Brand new lifters. You know how we roll, guys. She's gonna be right. Brand new lifters. M6500 R302. And then we got all new throttle body and EGR spacer studs and ARP nuts, because you know those old ones suck. And I think these are the valve cover gaskets. Yes, because you never put cork valve cover gaskets on a small block. These are the rubber with the metal in the middle. They never leak and they're reusable, guys. Do yourself a favor, don't ever put cork on your car again. And we got intake gaskets, so we're good to go. We got the 65, 70 millimeter throttle body and EGR spacer gasket and the IAC gasket. Because obviously, guys, with 70 millimeter throttle body, it's not gonna work. All right, what else we got? 180 degree thermostat and Ford Racing pilot bearing. And look, since we had the ARP intake bolts, I figured we needed ARP valve cover bolts too.
Yes, sir.
I mean, why not? Stainless steel. All this stuff, guys, in stock at LMR. Good stuff. But we're not done. We got a lot more. Why? Just because everything's clean? Come on now. And with a bleeder.
That's right.
See, you guys thought we was kidding when we said we're going to build you a badass car. Gasket and all is in there. All right, let's see what else we got here. And AC Delco. Brand stinking new water pump to bolt on. We're not putting no junk on this car, boys. I'm gonna be so jealous whoever gets this car. Hopefully, maybe they'll sell it back to me. Just not for what we got in it, right? Next on the docket. Guys, it's just like Christmas every day. Oh yeah. Oh, look at this, Dover. Just like Christmas. Brand new Dizzy. Came with a TFI module, cap, rotor, the whole 9 yards. Yep. Why? Because we want it to run good. And it's definitely going to run good. Again, guys, all in stock at LMR. Final piece right here. We got a heater tube.
Oh,
Yeah. A brand new heater tube, guys. If you don't know, these get your heat back to the heater core, and a lot of times they're junk and they look bad anyway, so we just got this one. Guys, this is the one that does not, LMR's got both, does not have that little nipple that goes up and runs through the EGR spacer. No one runs that anyway, so you can order it with or without. I got it without. It's a lot cleaner. But yeah, so next time, probably the next video, you'll see us putting Project 4 to 8's engine together. All right, guys, one more thing forgot to mention here. Dover brought the freeze plug tool home. Yeah, we're putting brand new freeze plugs in it, and we're gonna throw the new oil pump on it, and this little bad boy is gonna be good to go. Super excited. This little engine's gonna run freaking great. Oh, we gotta port the intake too.
Yeah.
I forgot. Yeah, we're gonna port match the intake to the 70 millimeter throttle body. Give her a little extra flow, you know. Super excited, guys. Huge shout out again to LMR. They had it all in stock, got it here fast. And shoot, we may be able to drop this engine in for too long. All right, boys, checking back on the Yoti. Damn! Man, that's just like jewelry, you know?
Pretty nice.
You just want to like touch it and pet it.
That's what Boomer says about it.
I think, yeah, we need to send Boomer a picture.
I already did.
Oh, did he? What'd he say?
It's like it wants boost now. I agree, it does.
Yes, it does. It's screaming for boost. Check it out, boys. For fuel rails on. Jeez. And then he's got all his power by the hour stuff right here. And his oil pump gears, which I think I already showed you that. But good night. I'm just going to have to order one of these and say, screw it. We need to put a hood on the car. These are just too much. Alright guys, be on the lookout for the first fire video of this bad boy. As you can see, it's pretty much there. And we're just waiting on a trans cooler, aren't you?
I mean, I got that one on it. I can crank it.
Yeah.
Just got to get some E85.
So we gotta get. Oh, see, I was supposed to pick up that tank. I forgot all about that. See, now I'm slacking.
No, I get it.
I meant to get that E85.
I have it.
But keep an eye out, guys. First fire video of this bad boy is coming very soon. And this one's pulleyed way down. It's pulleyed way down. So that's a 337. I think we had a 375 on the other car, the convertible. So yeah, this one's gonna make a lot of boost. Plus the transmission's built. This thing's gonna be a whole heck of a lot of fun. All right, boys, quick update on everything else. Slow and steady pace on George's car. Getting there for sure. And again, once we get all the brake lines and everything in that car, you know, can sit back down, we're gonna get this on the lift and start going real crazy with this wiring, because as you can see, it's there's a lot. Boomer's car, you know the deal on that. Got the interior gutted and just saw the engine bay done, and then engine over there, and then waiting on parts for Raymond's car. So no end. The New Edge GT out there, we're gonna send the transmission off for a freshening up, and I think it's sitting over there. So that's pretty much it, guys. Keep an eye out for the first fire on Lee's car, full assembly, final assembly of Project 4 to 8's engine, and a whole lot of whole lot of other stuff. So in the meantime, if you enjoy this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, guys. We'll be back because we got a lot to do. So I gotta go now. Later.